Hello everybody. Oh fuck. Okay, hello everybody. Today I want to make a shorter video because I have not so much time as yesterday. But I still hope you enjoyed my video. Today we are playing MLG Bird. Oh, headphone users beware, because yeah, you will notice it from yourself. Here we go.
Oh, baby, a triple!
What the fuck?
Damn, son.
Okay, no.
Damn, son.
I wanted to do away the notification. God damn it.
Wow.
Oh my god. The Illuminati is coming for me.
Shots fired.
That's you, no.
Damn, son.
Okay, I'm going to play this 3 more times. But for fuck's sake! Let's go. Come on.
Damn, son.
What the fuck? How?
Damn,
I'm
son.
done. I'm freaking done. Okay, please like, subscribe and share if you enjoyed. Goodbye, this was Bjarny Game.